Okay, hi everyone. This is the feedback to your 2016 O-Level GI question. Okay, so for part A, I think it's quite straightforward. Many of you were able to see that, it's a hypothesis about how the changes in altitude affects temperature. Okay, how it affects temperature. So most of you will be able to say things like the higher the altitude, the lower the air temperature, which is fine. Okay, or some of you said that instead of higher, you say lower. Okay, or instead of lower here, you put higher, whichever it is the way. Okay, so most of you did this, you got 1 mark. Now, quite a few of you actually did this as well. The lower the air temperature change, and I rejected it, and I asked you to read the scenario properly. Now, why is that the case? What temperature change are they referring to? Okay, now if you read the scenario carefully, the students are interested in whether the air temperature change along the valley of glacier as the altitude change. Okay, so as the altitude change, the temperature change. They want to investigate this change. So it cannot be higher altitude leads to a higher change. They are looking at when I change the altitude, how will the temperature change? Okay, will it become higher or will it become lower? Okay, when you say the lower the temperature change, it means that previously decreased by 2 degrees Celsius, now only decreased by 1 degree Celsius. Okay, so it's very confusing what you mean by temperature change. So please read the question carefully next time and the whole scenario.